In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $250 daily by just typing words on the internet. I'm going to show you a website whereby you can register for free and you'll be able to do some daily works and earn money online. The name of the website for today's video is talenteddesire.com. As you can see right here, the website is also on the description button if you want to click on it. And then I want to show you the kind of jobs you can do on this website. So as you can see, you can do online proofreading jobs, freelancer blogging jobs, language translation jobs, and we also have online paid subject jobs. We have online typing jobs. We have affiliate marketing jobs and medical transcriptions jobs. So for the sake of this video, we are going for online typing jobs, which is this, and you have to click on it to see what is required to apply for this job. So you have to follow me to the end of this video so that you don't make any steps. And if you are new to this channel, I would like you to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell. So without wasting much of your time, you can see that you can make up to $13,500 to $27,500 per year on this website. And guaranteed work, you should expect to get a minimum of $1,125 per month. That's the minimum you can get per month on this website. Now, online jobs, worldwide part-time and full-time work from home jobs. Only you will need a quiet place for your freelancer work. So this work can be done at home. And if you are looking for any site also, this is the best platform I can recommend to you. And the pay rates, we are ready to pay best in market for typing works, but we are really expecting return to you a good, accurate work. So you have to make sure you type the work accurately. Now, if you are a beginner, you'll be earning at least $3 when you type 300 words in a page. So per page you'll be earning $300 as a beginner, and as intermediate you'll be earning 3.60 cents per dollar. As a professional you'll be earning 4.50 per dollar, and as an expert you'll be earning $6 per page. Now I want to calculate how much this beginner will be earning in Nigeria currency. So on this website, it is a global site that is accepted globally. But if you're in Nigeria, I want to calculate how much you'll be earning as a beginner on this website. And what I mean by beginner is those that cannot type fast. So if you're not good in typing, at least you can earn $3 per page. Now, let's assume you type 10 pages per day. So $3 multiplied by 10, that is $30 per day for you. And if you multiply $30 multiplied by, let's say naira per dollar is 500, that is about 15,000 naira per day for you. So if you are a beginner and if you don't know how to type fast, you can also participate in this online typing work and make a good earning for yourself. Now, this is the breakdown. $3, 15 pages per day. You can type 15 pages per day at 6 hours daily. That is $45 for you. So if you are a beginner and you don't know how to type fast, I have a website that I will recommend for you at the end of this video that will train you how to type fast, and so that you'll be able to earn an expert money where you'll be earning $6 per page, and at the end of the day you'll be earning $90 per day. So you just have to stick to me to the end of this video and see how everything is being done. And then on this website, there is a strategy I will teach you on how you can register for this work and your application will be approved. Now, this is the requirement: basic knowledge of internet and English. So if you are good in English and you have internet access, you are good to go for this job. Minimum of 30 to 50 words per minute typing speed on the computer. So this is what I'm trying to tell you the other time, that you have to know how to type very fast. And if you don't know how to type very fast, I said I will show you a website whereby you can learn how to type very fast, so that you will meet up with the requirements of this website. Then eligibility: you must be at least 16 years old or above. So if you are above 16 years old, then you are good to go. Now, to join this website is absolutely free. As you can see right here, it is free and anybody can join so far you are above 16 years old. So then after that, the payment, your accuracy should be 98.88 to 99%. If your accuracy is below 99, it is your work will be returned and payment will go till the submission is able. So you have to be very fast in your typing skills. And then their payment mode is they use Payoneer, they use PayPal, and a lot of transfer methods available. Now let us click on apply now to continue. When you click on apply now, this page will pop up. Then you have to scroll down. So these are the steps to register for this on this platform. Now the step 1, select an application form. So you have to select. There is 2 methods of application forms: either you submit online or you submit offline. So that is the first step. Then step 2, complete it as per guideline. So there is guideline for it, so you have to submit it accordingly. That's why I said you have to follow me till the end, so that I will explain to you, so that they will not reject your application form. As you can see, we kindly suggest you read all the instructions carefully. If application forms are not well filled in, they may be rejected and not evaluated for the selection. So if you did not fill your application form well, it should be rejected. So you have to follow me to the end, so that the application form will not be rejected. Then step 3, you submit your online application form through submit button, or you can send us download application form by email. As I have said earlier, it's either you download it or you fill it online. So step 4, complete your demo project, review application. When you submit, they will have to review your application, and if you are eligible, they will schedule an interview with you. So they said our interview team will then contact you to schedule an interview. So within the short period of time, they will send your team will conduct an interview with you. So it's also an online interview. They will test your skills to confirm if you are capable for this work. Then step 7, the final decision will be sent to you. Now let us go and fill the application form. You have to go back to the first step and click on select an application form. And when I select an application form, there are 2 ways you can fill the form. It's either you fill an online application form or you download a PDF and fill. So if you want to download the PDF, you download it and fill it and submit to their email. But if you want to do it online, you can kindly click on online application form. So they said fill in your details to apply and work with us. So you have to click that, so that you'll be able to fill the form. Now the first thing to do is click on accept. Then you have to put in your name here. Put in your name. put in your email address, put in your contact number, your contracts. You can see now that it is also accepted in almost all countries. So if you're in Nigeria, you don't have any problem with that. You can also register and earn money online. Then zip, this is your zip code. You can just type it on Google. If you are living in Lagos, you can type, maybe you are living in Ikeja in Lagos, you can type Ikeja Lagos on Google for your own zip code. So if you are living anywhere in Nigeria or anywhere in the world, just type your area, your address. It will bring out your address to Google to bring out your zip code. Now, preferred job title. This is where you have to be very careful. This place now, so far you are applying for online typing jobs. You just have to put online typing jobs. So this is one of the mistakes most people are doing. So you can even make it in capital letter, or if you wish, you can make it animation. So what time is best for you? They are asking what is the specific time you will be free to work online. So you want to select any time you know you'll be free, then you click on it. So your best way to receive any, if you want to receive your earning through PayPal or Payoneer or Wise transfer, deposit transfer, Skrill. So if you're in Nigeria, I will advise you to select Payoneer. So if you don't have Payoneer account, I have a video for that on how to open a Payoneer account. And if you register with my link, they will give you $25. So if you don't have Payoneer account yet, make sure you watch the video, and you also see the link in the description button so that you can click on it and watch how to create a Payoneer account. And if you want to use PayPal, I also have a video on how to open a PayPal account. So that is that. And current professional status. If you are a student, if you are a housewife, you can just click on any one of your choice. So if you are a housewife, you can click on housewife. If you are a student, if you are a retired person, if you are a full-time employee, if you are part-time. So I will just recommend you to choose unemployed, so that they will also consider that. You can choose on unemployed. Then after that, you click on yes, I have read and accept the above statement. Then you click on I am not a robot and submit. So it will take at least up to 2 days before they can get back to you, and they will also send an email to your mail that will get approved. Once you get approved, they will be sending you a job to do on this website. Then, so the website that I want to show you that will train you how to type fast is called RitaType.com, as you can see right here. So if you register, if you log into this site, you can register and they will teach you how to type fast. Then you will also be given a certificate, and this certificate can be used on any online jobs. So if you don't know how to type fast, you can kindly go to this website to go and learn how to type fast. So if you love this video, kindly like the video and subscribe to my channel. You can also share to your friends. So on this note, I will say goodbye and see you in my next video. Thank you.